What it is, YouTube? It's boy Bama, man. I know I ain't put that video up showing y'all no flakes of the that 2000 watt, but shit, I just sold that bit. Now, what I'm doing now is hiding these wires. All that ain't hooked up. None of that ain't hooked up. I just got these wires right here ran out, power on the ground. Over here I got a power on the ground. That ain't hooked up. This is where I put my battery here and stuff. That's little stuff, you know what I'm saying? Just something to keep it going, you know what I'm saying? Get it heat. All them, the batteries is bolted down, you know. I ain't going nowhere. And all that 0 gauge, good wire. But yeah, that's all. That's what I'm at. Now that's what I'm doing right now, but about to hook up this amp. I'll hook up my 5,000 watt amp. About to hook this bell amp back here up. And maybe by then I'll give y'all a little good flex video. But when I tell you that 2,000 watt amp was had that thing booming. My uncle said, boy, how many watts that is? I said 2,000. And he said, sell it. Sold. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. Let me hook it up. Show y'all how to build my little amp rack. I ain't gonna do an amp rack today cause kind of late. Might just put it on a piece of wood. I don't know yet, but this is where I'm at right now. Just clearing it out. About to put this heavy ass box back in here so I can have me some little room, you know. Push that box back there where I can let my seat up, cause you see what I'm saying? Oh, that shit don't even look right. So I'm gonna clean that up, have that looking good, looking pretty for y'all. Build me a good old amp rack, hide them wires. That's how I'm gonna do it. For now, stay tuned. This part 1. Bring y'all part 2, maybe part 3 of flex video. But for now, Bama boy, signing out. Deuces.